Hi guys, Jason from TuneZilla here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your multi-map feature using your adaptive cruise control switches on your steering wheel on your MQB. So to start off, you need to make sure your engine is running, your foot is on your brake, and your car is in gear. And you're going to use the ACC buttons on your steering wheel to switch through your maps. Now on my car, I have 3 files installed. I'm currently in map 1. To go to map 2, I'm going to hold the plus button until my EPC light flashes twice, and that indicates that now I'm in map 2. To go to map 3, I'm going to do the same thing, hold the plus button until the EPC light flashes 3 times, indicating I'm now in map 3. Back to map 2, I'm going to hold the minus button until the EPC light flashes twice, indicating now we're in map 2, and then exactly the same thing, hold the minus button until EPC light flashes once, indicating we're back to map 1. And that's how easy it is. This can be done on the fly. So if you're sitting at a stoplight, or you've pulled up to the gas station, or you're just sitting in your driveway at home, you can switch through your maps without having to flash from a laptop or a phone. It's just that easy from your steering wheel. So again, engine needs to be running, your foot firm on the brake, car in gear, and then you just flip through using the plus and minus buttons. Hope that helps.